Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by setting a clear, measurable goal for your diet plan. Decide on a realistic weight target and a time frame you can commit to. Choose a daily calorie approach, such as a 500-calorie deficit for steady, sustainable weight loss. Define macronutrient targets like 25% of calories from protein to help maintain lean muscle mass. Write down a specific goal, such as lose 10 pounds in 12 weeks, and review it weekly. Track progress numerically to keep motivation and adjust goals as needed. Create a weekly meal plan that matches your calorie and macronutrient goals. Build plates with half vegetables, 1/4 protein, and 1/4 carbohydrates for balanced portions. Aim for servings containing about 1/2 cups cooked grains and 50 grams of protein when targeting higher protein needs. Batch cook for 3 to 4 days to reduce decision fatigue and unhealthy impulsive choices. Pack snacks like a small apple with 15 grams of nuts to satisfy hunger between meals. Prep simple recipes and a grocery list before shopping to save time. Focus on consistent habits that support long-term adherence to your diet. Weigh yourself weekly and record results to monitor a trend rather than daily fluctuations. Prioritize sleep by getting at least 7 hours each night to regulate appetite hormones. Schedule regular movement, like a brisk 3-5-mile walk spread across the week for extra energy expenditure. Practice flexible restraint by allowing one planned treat per week to prevent feelings of deprivation. Review habits monthly and adjust small behaviors to keep progress steady and sustainable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.